So
My dysfunctional ass box, I wonder why.
Why he had a nerve to smack?
Okay. Is we filming?
As we filming, we ready?
What?
It's your girl D and your girl Day. Do our own thing in our own way. Always on point, never can be late. Show you our life on the day to day. It's your girl D and your girl.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl D.
It's your girl Day. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we coming with the real vlogmas spirit. You know what I'm saying? We are building gingerbread kits. You know, she got a house, I got a train. That wasn't on purpose. But we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. I went in the store and I just grabbed some ish before they closed, and I grabbed both of them together. I don't understand how they were two separate things.
That's called when people put stuff where it don't belong.
Some good hot chocolate brewing. If you wonder what she's sipping on, Magic Johnson's made us some hot chocolate for the video. And yeah, I really don't have much to say. It's not a competition, but we are going to give you guys the chance to tell us who did their kit better.
That's if we get these mugs
done
to stick together. We got 10 minutes.
No, we are not putting ourselves on the timer.
I feel like we should. I feel like it'd be more interesting.
Bruh. We could try, but I don't know about
I'm just ready to whip. Rumba.
Yeah, I'm a little ready. Oh, so y'all see what we making. She got the house. I got the train. But we gonna knock that shit down so y'all can see the actual kit.
We actually gonna throw these on the floor, y'all.
Yeah.
To come back. It smell like booty.
Yeah, I don't like the smell of it, so I know I ain't gonna eat this. But we gonna see. I'm gonna need my box.
I can't even open it.
What, the plastic that thick? Oh shit. Okay.
Damn.
Okay.
I'm over here.
Acting like she just, I don't know.
Oh.
She excited.
Okay, I got it.
Bring your scissors.
We got it.
Oh.
I don't want them little weed scissors on my gingerbread.
On the plastic. I need the scissors because we got to cut the tips.
Oh, yeah.
Cut weed with them.
Oh, yeah.
Right, crazy girl.
You right about that.
Yeah. We got Magic Johnson to say something in the video.
Excuse us today. We, as you can see, put a little too much sugar in this hot chocolate.
Something. I ain't even tasted mine yet. We're gone off life. We're doing good, guys. We chose hot chocolate over wine today. You should be proud of us.
Okay. Right. Boxes on the floor, but I actually kind of need mine.
Me too.
Please, babe.
I'll get it.
You ain't got time.
I'm about to go.
No.
Where to go?
Out of here.
Why? Just relax.
Just relax.
Relax on my face. Okay. How do I even put this together? I don't even know how.
So we about to just get the building?
I don't know to build a house.
No, I don't.
So we this is
The front, the back, the side, the roof.
So we building. Oh, I done walked out the front.
What the heck we doing?
What
the hell we supposed to
read
do?
the directions.
No, I'm talking about her. She's about to say we building.
I didn't know
what
it.
we doing.
Shit.
Right.
Told y'all I don't know
Cut
what
it
I'm
up.
doing.
Somebody come get her.
Oh, shut the fuck up. I did step one.
Cut the tip off.
We only got 10 minutes. When he was,
Oh.
we on a timer, y'all. Let me start our timer right now. Once that alarm go off, baby girl, it's whatever
I
you
think
got.
I'm supposed to separate this shit.
Hurry up so I can start the timer.
Oh, you separated yours?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Y'all
You
can't
broke
be
it?
Eating it.
What you mean?
It came like that?
She ain't have to break hers.
You gotta break your shit?
That's what it was looking like.
It's never giving that.
It's
no.
definitely giving that. Bro, I don't know what I'm doing.
Simple. You can't see the pieces how it's made.
I'm gonna try.
Do I supposed to untwist this or I put the top on top of this?
I don't know. Shark took it off.
Yeah. Untwist it. Yeah.
Why? We need those then.
Because it probably create a design or something.
I think you gotta cut the tops though.
I don't think I'm gonna build gingerbread cookies with my kids. I ain't gonna hold y'all up.
Why?
It ain't my thing.
Girl, you didn't even start it.
Look how she handled it.
No cap, man. She putting that shit on the table.
You don't plan on eating that shit.
Yeah, I don't want. Somebody come get her.
She's fucking up my dinner.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere.
Them 4 things go in the front.
Stop paying attention to me, okay?
It's gonna help you out. Mr. Magic is trying to help.
I appreciate that,
Oh.
bro, but I'm a lot of confused.
Look at the picture of the train.
Your train kit includes cookie pieces to build an engine and a caboose. Gently break apart the solid lines to separate. Key pieces grouped together for the car to make building. For the
Well,
car
I'm
to
laughing. I
make
need to figure out which one is my roof and which one is.
The roof got shingles on it.
pipe a strip of icing
Oh, these the
in the
dogs.
front cavity.
No, ain't no those.
I mean the side.
What side is the right side?
That one.
Some of the sides you can read.
What he say?
But some of the side you can read.
That wasn't even that fucking funny. You know what?
Yeah, you got a smart ass mom. That's that Virgo shit.
For real.
No, I'm on the side you can read.
I was serious as fuck.
I know.
That's what makes it so funny to her. I don't know where they stand. The pipe
Tell her.
a stripe.
Magic tell. Char has already started, so I'm gonna give her a little head start. But here we go. 10 minutes. Now let's get down to business.
I think she stole one of my pizzas already.
Well, I can't like these, man.
Look at what I steal yours. What I steal yours?
Shit like this.
This shit gonna work.
Okay.
This is why you don't wash it like this from Aldi's.
Yeah, we got this stuff from Aldi's, y'all. It's the facial expression. Sure, make it for me.
This is a
You
half-ass.
was never supposed to put that right there.
Who, me?
Sure. The little front piece go in there. On your big cookie, grab your big cookie.
This,
That go right there.
right?
The other piece on the big cookie that you got on the flat, rip that front piece off.
You made this before?
No. Simple arts and crafts, like a little kid.
No, it's not that simple.
Boom, that goes right there.
It's not even sticky, bro.
You good enough stuff.
And her shit.
Did you read your directions?
No, Didi about to freestyle. Just want y'all to know now.
I wish we had a third one so we get this motherfucker over here.
I want you to be so late.
That shaky.
We should have grabbed it there.
Oh, that's funny.
We need more sauce. You ain't even got it sticking on this side.
What's up? For it to go inside my little holes. I think you got some of my stuff.
Girl, I ain't got shit.
Damn, this is how our house look in 10 minutes.
At least she built hers.
Girl, you can see it. Look at leaning.
What?
Your side of your house falling down.
Huh?
Sure, you put it all over, it's only gonna stick on the edges. Y'all is crazy. No cap.
This is what it's like ever doing it. You can give them directions, but they still gonna do what they want to do.
Okay. Do the flip. Okay.
That's like I mean, it's a Serena movie.
I got to put some more at the bottom.
And it all falls down.
Oh, what I said?
I gotta put some more at the bottom.
It's your foundation week.
I bet you I should still be built before your days. Magic, wish he had one.
He over there think my shit would be colder than both of them.
Like shit right now.
For sure.
Cause they don't know what the fuck they do.
No cap.
The motherfucker on the right keep looking all the icing up here shit.
She ain't gonna have no left. And this motherfucker right here, she ain't even reading directions.
They giving them anxiety.
No cap, yo. Killing me over there.
Killing me with this shit.
Killing me.
Oh, cause I ain't read directions and you.
You just rock that. That's why your shit leaning.
Who mine?
Not no more, though.
Mine's gonna be a masterpiece when I get done with it. It might take me 2 tries, but baby, best believe your girl know what she doing.
I am not good at decorating on
Maybe
cakes.
just wrap the parasol.
Ooh. Big drip.
This is that bad luck. I ain't gonna do it on YouTube.
I'm about to lick it all up.
No,
Looking real
sir.
crazy.
My parents watched this.
Slurp, slurp, 3000. What is it called? Gut, gut.
Throat goat. This is a mess now. I can't believe it. It bust on me like this. I wonder what shit coming from the bottom. It's all at the top.
Oh, it tastes like icing.
You're supposed to roll it as you're going.
Can I have your orange ones?
Let me see.
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
I can't believe this shit.
Here you go. I took my reds.
I can't believe this shit.
Okay, well, I'm about to do these windows.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Somebody use it.
I just want it to be on the record that I'm over this shit.
Why you squeeze it like that?
That's why. That's
You
why.
gotta roll it down and squeeze it.
That's why I originally did that. Let's start there. She's the,
I wasn't squeezing no different than you.
she's the blame. Sis is to blame.
I didn't even hear it pop.
Let the tightness of the roll make it come up.
Oh shit.
1 hour later.
All you niggas gon' die. Bust no mind.